I am a real mother to her and not a godmother. Oh. Ọmọdé tí wàá jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé you are adopted mother o. Pé òun adopting ibi tá a wà rèé o. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn. If confusion was a person, àti Ṣọlágbé àti godmother gbogbo wọn they are confused. Which way now? Ṣọlágbé Adébímpé lòun bí ẹ, ó ní ìyá ẹ lòun. Ìwọ sọ pé adopted mother ẹni, àwọn warriors sọ pé godmother ẹni. Èwo gan báyìí la fẹ́. Which way now? Which way torí ọlọ́ ṣé wàhálà ò ti wá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí lórí social media? Ọlọ́run máa ṣàánú wa báyìí o. Ta la máa pè báyìí? Tí ẹ mọ position àbí mọ title tẹ fúnra yín. Lizzy sọ pé adopted mother ni, àwọn warriors sọ pé godmother ni, mọ̀mọ́ sọ pé real mother ni. So Adébímpé ló bí Lizzy. Ta ni òkú ẹ̀ wá ń ráre nínú sàréètì? Ṣé ògiri àlàpà wo pa Adébímpé ni? Because I don't understand. Ṣé ẹni tí yóò bá ti ní love from home, you will be forcing love. Adébímpé is forcing herself on Lizzy. Lizzy jẹ́ ká ti mọ̀ for a long time ó pé Adébímpé, forgiveness is a sin. Forgiveness is a sin. Kò sí nǹkan tó lè ṣe nílé ayé tó máa fi dáríjì ẹ̀. Torí pé kí ni ìwọ wà lára àwọn èèyàn tó gbé Fọlá wá tó wá gba donation fún Fọlá lórí social media. Ó ti jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé forgiveness ìwọ ló kàn force ara ẹ mọ́ Lizzy. Lizzy jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ fi ẹ ṣe. Òun fún ara ẹ̀ ló sọ kì í ṣe pé kíní. Ó ní nígbà yẹn ó lọ support Fọlá. Ó wá sọ́dọ̀ òun. Kíní kan ṣe kíní kan. She's not happy with you. She keeps saying it. And you have done everything in this life for her to do like, that it change you. You are on her side, but she cannot see you that way. Now you are replacing Ìyá Lizzy. I've never seen Ìyá ẹgbẹ́ ṣe mú iye ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ bí ni. I've never seen how delusional somebody can be to the point that you are not somebody's mother and you are claiming to be somebody's mother. Ṣebí Lizzy sọ pé òun fẹ́ extradite òkú ìyá òun. Ṣé Adébímpé ti kú ni? Because don't confuse us on this social media. Don't be forcing yourself on somebody. Have self-respect. Ṣé ẹ máa dúró ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ bí? Ṣé bàbá Gaddafi lẹ bí Lizzy fún ni? Because I don't understand. Mọ́mí Adébímpé, why are you forcing yourself where you don't belong? Because it's called inferiority complex. You are forcing yourself to be mother of a child you never birthed. Why? Any real mother ni Lizzy sọ pé adopted mother ni pé òun gbàyìn tọ́ ni. Òun ló ń lọ adopt yín. Ẹ̀yin sọ pé ẹ̀yin gangan lẹ bí. Àwọn warriors sọ pé godmother ni yín. Out of the three, you are none. You are not even anything. Wọ́n recognize yín. Wọ́n value yín bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin ò dẹ̀ mọ̀. But it's all good and fine, right? It's all shaking. It's all good and fine. Ṣẹ́rí update nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ kọ, nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ sọ. Wọ́n ti bá yín kọ sí tàbí update. Òun la dẹ̀ fẹ́ ká fáwọn èèyàn. So that àwọn èèyàn á lè mọ bó ṣe ń lọ. Because a gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbé àwọn èèyàn débẹ̀ dáadáa lórí social media. A gbọ́dọ̀ máa gbé àwọn èèyàn débẹ̀ dáadáa. Ibi tí wàhálà ti kọ́kọ́ so nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yin àti Lizzy lélẹ́yìí o. Based on what you have heard from her, Lizzy is my daughter. I am not just a godmother to her. I am a real mother. But Lizzy said you are not a godmother. You are not òun ló fún ara ẹ̀ sọ pé you are adopted mother. Hey, Ọlọ́run, battle of the mothers. Yeah. The mother that mother my mother. Also, over ẹ̀ ló fẹ́ náà rẹ̀ sọ. You said you are a real mother. You are not just godmother. She said you are not even godmother at all. She adopted you. You are an adopted mother. That's what she said. Ṣé ẹ ti kú nígbà tó ń ṣe life tó ń sọ ni? Now you are fighting to be in somebody's life when she has already disclaimed you. Only I am a real mother. And she is a wonderful daughter to me. Of course, when the kidney is going one-sided, ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ̀rọ owó gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, kò ní ṣe wonderful daughter. Ìgbà tó fún yín lówó lóṣooṣù, Adébímpé alátẹnujẹ. Ìgbà tí Lizzy fún yín lówó lóṣooṣù. Of course, you will say you are, she's my daughter, she's my shekinah. You will say anything you have to say. Ebi ló ń pa yín mà. It's called hunger. Allah má yẹ kébi pa wá. And you are so scared of her. She knows. We all can see that you are terrified of Lizzy's doing a show for you. Gbogbo real mother, adopted mother, is because you are terrified of her. If she's your daughter, ṣé èèyàn máa ń bímọ tẹ́rù ọmọ màmá báyọ̀? Adébímpé, are you afraid of your children? Àwọn eléyìí tó gbogbo ẹ jáde. Are you afraid of your kids? But look at your life now. Ọmọ tó jẹ́ pé orí social media lẹ ti pàdé, ẹ̀rù ẹ̀ wá ń bà ẹ́, pìpìpìpì báyìí lẹ̀rù ẹ̀ ń bà ẹ́. And we are just looking at you like, ẹ wo woman yìí náà. Ẹ ní rònú mà. Ọjọ́ tó ń pín rònú ẹ̀ sí nílé. Wọn ò pín bí wọ́n pín, wọ́n gbàgbé yín àbí wọ́n skip yín. Ẹ wo bí tẹ́ ẹ súnlé ayé yín dé. Àwa máa ṣe ṣòfò yín o. The more bí Lizzy bá ṣe ń tẹ̀ sí yín lójú, àwa máa bá yín ṣe kí ni, àwa máa bá yín buttress ẹ̀ dáadáa. Lẹ́bàá ní, someone initially brought a case to me, but as soon as I learned the truth of the matter, I back off completely. Ẹni wọ́n gbé kéèsì Lizzy wá bá yín. Ẹni torí pé ẹ mọ̀ òótọ́. Ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ òótọ́, you back off completely. Why? Because kì í ṣe torí pé ẹ mọ̀ òótọ́, torí àtijẹ ni. Torí you saw that Lizzy has more money, Lizzy has more mouth, and there is more you can gain from Lizzy than the other person. Adébímpé is always transactional with you. This is why you are not respected. Highest bidder ni ẹ́. Ìgbà tí Fọlá gbé kéèsì Lizzy wá, you saw the truth of the matter. Gbogbo ayé mọ̀ pé Lizzy fọwọ́ ọlá gbá Fọlá lójú. How can your husband leave you for 7 months tí ò bójú wẹ̀yìn? You talk like a mother. Ó jàjà abiyamọ. Kò sábiyamọ tí ò ní jábẹ́ yẹn pé kò dáa. O mọ̀ pé máyì ti bímọ, ó ti marry, ó ti níyàwó. Ó dẹ̀ gbé sílé for 7 months, ó jẹ́ kó lọ visit family ẹ̀. Ó wá ń gbọ́ pé ó ń sọ pé tọ́jú òbò ẹ̀. Pẹ̀lú Lizzy tó ń jáde tó ń sọ pé I am the legal wife, I am the legal wife, ó ṣì kiri. Ẹ jàjà abiyamọ nígbà yẹn. Bọ̀ ìgbà tí Lizzy kọ́rọ̀ sí yín lórí, tó tún fi owó gbáǹdì. Adébímpé, pẹ̀lú ìyà tó ti ń jẹ, nítorí náà sì yẹn ò gbé ẹ. Kí ló ṣe next? O throw Fọlá under the bus ni. O lọ ń support Lizzy. Ìgbà tí Lizzy promise pé ó máa fún ẹ nílẹ̀. Ọlájírè's cottage. Ilẹ̀ lélẹ́yìí. Ó máa fún ẹ nílẹ̀. Ó máa ṣe kinní kan tó fún yín fake promises up and down. Ṣebí torí àtẹnujẹ ni. Ṣó wà pa fún yín sí? Adébímpé, when it comes to integrity, you don't have. You can switch side at any time. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, you are a highest bidder. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, nǹkan tó máa ń ṣe nìyẹn, you are being known for being the highest bidder. Going for somebody that will, eléyìí ní jẹ eléyìí lọ, eléyìí ṣe kíní jẹ eléyìí lọ, mo lè rí gbà lára eléyìí. That is what you did with Lizzy. Nǹkan tó fẹ́ gbà lọ́wọ́ Lizzy, you demonstrated it over the years. Torí nǹkan tó fẹ́ jẹ ni ò jẹ́ kó gbọ́n náà. Kì í ṣe pé o nífẹ̀ẹ́ Lizzy. And she used to say it, she knows. Lizzy ò kì í ṣọmọ ọwọ́. She's not a baby. Kì í ṣe ọmọ ọwọ́. Many people do not understand the meaning of the word fracas. Lizzy was right when she said, I do not cause trouble when I am with her. Adébímpé, you cause the trouble, but you cause more than trouble. Cause the trouble, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ ṣe ju trouble lọ. ẹ bayé jẹ́, ẹ bọ̀nà jẹ́, ẹ bà gbogbo nǹkan jẹ́. Tó bá rọ̀ yín níṣẹ́ ẹrú, Adébímpé, ó fi tọmọ jẹ, ó fi tẹrú jẹ ni. Ìwọ tó jáde, kátẹ̀wá gbà pé òkè o, story tó gbé wá fún ẹ nípa Lizzy, it was wrong. So, why can't you tell Lizzy the truth when she was doing rubbish? Ṣé bó tún kí lọ́wọ́ ẹjọ́ ń ṣépè fọmọ ni? Ṣé bó tún kí lọ́wọ́ ìgbà tó ń wọ àwọn ọmọ tiẹ̀ lè pè ó jáde wá defend. Àwọn ọmọ tó wá wọ́n lè pé nǹkan, àwọn ọmọ tí wọn ò ṣe nǹkan kan fún ẹ. Àtẹnujẹ ló ń pa ẹ́ lọ yìí, Adébímpé. Lizzy ń sọ fún wọ, orí pé òun ló gbé ògùn ayé ẹ̀ dání. Wípé you did not cause trouble when I'm with her. O ò ṣe pé fáwọn ọmọdé. You did now. O ò lè fi àwọn ọmọ ẹ ṣépè sí náà. Wípé o cause trouble. O ò ṣe fracas lọ́dọ̀ Lizzy. O ṣe ju fracas lọ. Disclaimer tó ń ṣe lọ́jọ́ tèmi. It's as a result of orí burúkú fracas tó ṣe pẹ̀lú Lizzy náà. That is it. For the rest of your life, you don't want to be linked with Lizzy, but we will always link you with Lizzy. Ẹni tó gbé epo lájà ò kì í ṣolè. Ìwọ Adébímpé tó ń gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ìwọ gan ló lè, ó mọ bó ṣe máa ń gbọ̀n wéleke wá. Any issue, ó rí show tó ṣe Fárejan. Kí náà ń pè yẹn Fárejan dárúkọ ẹ rí ni? Is that not fracas? Ó rí bó ṣe ń ṣépè Fárejan. You are a useless woman. Adébímpé, you are a useless woman. Ó yẹ káwọn ọmọ ẹ kọ́ dọwọ́ bojú báyìí ni àbí kọ́ káwọ́ lérí. Only let it be known. If I say I will not get involved in drama anymore, it is not because I am afraid. It is because you are afraid. O mọ̀ pé gbogbo nonsense tí wà tí Lizzy ń ṣe yẹn níbi tó fẹ́ lọ yẹn wọn ò ní gbà. Wọ́n máa dethrone ẹni, wọ́n máa lé ẹ dànù ni. Yes, and you are at the same time you are afraid. O fẹ́ pàdánù lọ́nà méjì, ó ti pàdánù lọ́dọ̀ Lizzy lálákọ̀ọ́kọ́. Gbogbo promise tó fún ẹ kò rí nǹkan kan ṣe. Ó ti pàdánù lálákọ̀ọ́kọ́. Promise and fail ní Ṣọlá pé ń ṣe fún gbogbo yín. Only if I see anything involve celebrity that need to be addressed, I will speak my mind. But you cannot speak freely anymore. The way bó ṣe máa gbọ́ ọmọ ṣe pé ó rí show tó ṣe lánàá. Ó ní sìn ẹ̀bẹ̀ la máa bẹ̀yìn, ẹ̀bẹ̀ la sórí pé ó sì kù sára ẹ̀. But torí pé ó fẹ́ lọ force ara níbi tó ò belong sí. Kò sí anybody tó ní kó má speak your mind ẹ̀. Ṣé nu speaking your mind ló ti ń ṣépè pé ọmọ kan máa ta ríǹgì jẹun? Is that part of your speaking your mind? Tá bá pé kábíyèsí ń sìn pé ó máa ṣí adé wò. Is this speaking our minds too? Adébímpé, òṣùwọ̀n tó bá fi wọ́n fún yàn la máa fi wọ́n fún wọn náà. Tá bá sọ pé kábíyèsí ó máa ṣí adé wò báyìí, kò ní rójú kò ní rí, just like the way you did to children on this platform. Ẹ ní sọ pé kí ló dé? Tá bá sọ pé ìgbà kábíyèsí kò ní tú ẹ̀ rárá, àwa náà ò ṣe fracas náà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àwa náà wá gbèjà ọmọ tó sọ pé ó máa ta ríǹgì jẹun ni. Ó ti rí pé it's not pretty. Kò dáa rárá. Ìwà ìbàjẹ́ ó kàn dàgbà ní ò dánú. Adébímpé ó kàn dàgbà ní orí ẹ̀ ò pé. You are not fit to be a queen. You only saw bẹ́fọ̀ làbàtà ó yọ bẹ́tì nǹkan tó ṣe é nìyẹn. You are not fit. Lizzy sọ pé formality ni gbogbo ẹ̀ pé kò síbi tó ń lọ. Formality ni you die in fracas, you start in fracas, you die in fracas. What a shame, Adébímpé. Nǹkan tó reduce ara ẹ̀ dà. ó lè gbèjà èèyàn ó gbèjà èèyàn. Ó máa ṣe o, ó ṣe fún àgbàlagbà tí ó gbọ́n, odidi grandmother tí ó gbọ́n.